Next tenth one. Limit n tends to infinity 1 by n into e power r by n. Directly in that form only, definite integral by using limits. So directly it is nothing but integral 0 to 1 e power x dx. So e minus 1 answer. Next 11th one. Minus 2 to 3 mod 1 minus x square dx. 1 minus x square greater than 0 implies x square minus 1 less than 0. So x plus 1 into x minus 1 less than 0. Minus 1 less than x less than 1. So between minus 1 to 1 it is positive. Remaining values it is negative. So minus 2 to 1. Minus 1. 1 minus x square negative means x square minus 1 you have to write. Minus 1 to 1 it is positive. So 1 minus x square dx. Next again 1, 2, 3 it is negative. So x square minus 1 dx. So simple integration x cube by 3 minus x between the limits minus 2 to minus 1 plus x minus x cube by 3 between the limits minus 1 to 1. Again x cube by 3 minus x between the limits 1 to 3. Simplify and tell the answer. By simplifying, you will get the answer 28 by 3. Solve the one easy. Integral 0 to pi by 2 sin x plus cos x whole square. Denominator root 1 plus sin 2x is nothing but sin x plus cos x. One time will cancel. So sin x minus cos x integration between the limit 0 to pi by 2. Sin 91 cos 90 0 minus sin 0 0 cos 90 cos 0 1. So minus of minus 1 plus 1 answer 2. Integral 0 to pi x into f of sin x dx equals to a into integral 0 to pi by 2 f of sin x dx. What is the value of a? Left side you take as I equals to apply a minus x property. So pi minus x f of sin 180 minus x is again sin x. So pi into integral 0 to pi f of sin x dx. X into f of sin x is I plus I 2i. So what is a value? Pi by 2. So answer is a equals to pi by 2. Are you following? Rutvik, Ishita, Nidhi, are you writing? Okay, understand this one? Next one, f of x equals to e power x by 1 plus e power x, and x I1, I2 are given. What is I2 by I1? Take I1, I1 equals to integral f of minus a, f of a, x into integral g of okay, we get 0 to pi, but they are given only 0 to pi by 2. Okay. 2a minus x property. So again, you can take f of sine x equals f of sine pi minus x. 2a minus x equal to f of x means you can take 2 outside. So pi by 2 into 2, you can write 0 to pi by 2 only. F of sine x dx. So 2 will cancel. So answer is a equals to pi. This is 0 to pi by 2. So I can apply 2a minus x property. Can you understand? Next one, f of minus a to f of a, x into g of x into 1 minus x dx. And f of x is e power x by e power x plus 1. F of minus x is e power minus x by e power minus x plus 1. So this is nothing but 1 by 1 plus e power x. By adding f of x plus f of minus x, it is 1. So a plus b minus x property. A f of a plus f of minus a is again 1 only. So 1 minus x you have to write. G of x means 1 minus x. 1 minus 1 minus x dx. So f of minus a to f of a, 1 minus x into, again this one is nothing but x into 1 minus x dx. Split into two integrals, f of minus a, f of a, 1 into this one, g of x into 1 minus x dx, minus x into g of x minus, again this is I1. So I1 equals I1 plus I1 to I1, and this is nothing but I2. Yes, this is I2. So we have to find I2 by I1. 2. Here we are applying a plus b minus x property. A plus b minus x means f of a plus f of minus a minus x. This is nothing but 1 minus x. So in place of x, we have to write 1 minus x. Split into two integrals. First one is I2, next one is I1. I1 plus I1 to I1, you will get the answer. Okay, understand? Next one. Fifteenth one, simple Hospital rule. Limit x tends to 2, 6 to f of x 4 t cube dt by x minus 2 outside you can write. So limit x tends to 2, this derivative 4 to cube. 4 into, in place of t you have to write f of x. So f of t whole cube. With f of x derivative f dash of x. And 6th derivative 0, so no need to write minus second one. X derivative 1. By putting x equal to 2, f of 2, f dash of 2. F of 2, 6. 1 by 48. Answer. This is f of x whole cube. So cube, 6 cube. Answer. 6 cube means 36 by 2. 36 by 2, 18 answer. Do you understand? Leibniz rule of differentiation. Substitute in place of t the upper boundary into its derivative. F of x derivative f dash of x. Minus lower boundary substitution and lower derivative 0. So no need to write the second one. So net put x equal to 2 and substitute the values, we will get the answer. Do you understand? Sixteenth one, simple comparison. First I1, I2. Integral 0 to 1, 2 power x square dx, I2. Integral 0 to 1, 2 power x cube dx. In between 0 to 1, x square is more than x cube. So I1 is greater than I2. So first one only we have. So directly you can take. Next 1 to 2. 1 less than x less than 2 implies x square and x cube. If you compare, x square is less than x cube. So from this you will get I3 less than I4. Not there. So first option. Order also you can write it I2 less than I1. I1 is less than I3 less than I4. This is the order. Seventeenth one is the sigma 1 by n square. I think we did this one already. It is nothing but x secant square x square. That's the substitution method you will get it. 18th one. Minus pi to pi cos square x by 1 plus a power x dx. A plus b minus x property. Minus pi to pi. A plus b minus x is nothing but minus x. Cos square minus x is cos square x. 1 plus a power minus x dx. So minus pi to pi, a power minus x is 1 by a power x. So a power x into cos square x by 1 plus a power x dx. This is also I, this is also I. So we add these two. 2I equals to minus pi to pi. Here 1, a power x. 1 plus a power x will cancel. Cos square x dx. Cos square x, so you can write 2 times 0 to pi even function. Cos square x you can write 1 plus cos 2x by 2. So 2 will cancel. So I equals to 1 by 2 into integral 1 dx is x plus cos 2x is sin 2x by 2. pi/2 answer. 19th is the f of x, f of a minus x. If you add, you will get directly answer. 20 already we did now only. Pi into 0 to pi/2 f of sin x dx. So f of sin x dx to pi f of cos x dx both are equal. 21 is simple. 22 1 to a f x f dash of x dx. A greater than 1. So 1 to 2 step x value 1. 1 into f dash of x dx. Next 2 to 3 step x value 2 f dash of x dx. 3 to 4 3 f dash of x dx. Like this you have to write. We don't know a value. Up to step a you have to write. So step a minus 1 to step a. If a is integer, what we get? See 1 to step a, 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, and so on up to step a minus 1 to step a plus step a to a. If suppose a is integer, step a is equal to a to a is 0. No need. So no change in the value. 1 to 2 f dash of x integration f of x. So f of x means f of 2 minus f of 1 plus f of 3 minus f of 2, f of 4 minus f of 3. This is 2 times. This is 3 times. And so on. Step a minus 1 times f of step a minus f of step a minus 1 plus this is step a into f of a minus f of a again f of step a f of step a. Two times f of 2, so one time f of 1 minus f of 1 minus f of 2 minus f of 3 and so on we are getting. So last a step of f of a. Step a f of a minus remaining all you will get one time minus f of 1 plus f of 2 plus and so on f of step A. Answer. Second option. If you are confused with the step A minus 1, do one thing, something. You take any value of A and verify with the option. You take one integer 3 and you take one 3.5 like that. Verify with the options, you will get it. We don't know the value of A. A may be integer or maybe not an integer. So up to step A, integer. Next remaining part, say step A to A. For example, if you have A value 5, find some 6. So step of 5.6 means up to 5 you have to write like this. 1 to 2, 2 to 3, 3 to 4, 4 to 5. Next step A means 5 to 5.6 you have to write like that last. So at last you will get the answer. Otherwise you will take any value of A and verify with the option. Okay, understand? Twenty-three, 24, and all is easy. Twenty-three, I think we did this one. F of x equals to small f of x plus small f of 1 by x. 1 to x log t dt by 1 plus t. 1 to 1 by x log t by 1 plus t dt. In this you take substitution x equals t equals to 1 by y. First one is write the same. 1 by 1 by 1 is 1 by 1 is 1. 1 by 1 by x is x. Log t is 1 by y. 1 plus 1 by y. dt is minus 1 by y square dy. 1 to x log t dt by 1 plus t plus 1 to x log 1 by is minus log y minus minus plus log y by 1 y will cancel. So one more y you will get y into 1 plus y. So 1 to x log t dt by 1 plus t dt plus 1 to x log y dy or log t dt also you can write it. The definite integral never depends on the variable. And 1 by t into 1 plus t you can write 1 by t minus 1 by 1 plus t. Partial fractions. 1 plus t minus t will cancel. Okay, correct. Log t by 1 plus t minus the first plus will cancel. So capital F of x equals to integral 1 to x log t by t dt only will get. Because this term will cancel. Log t by t is log of log t, means log t whole square by 2 between 1 to x. If you take the substitution log t equals 1 by t, 1 by t dt is p. So p square by 2. So log x whole square by 2 minus log 1 value 0. And we have to find f of e by putting x equals to e log e value 1. So answer is 1 by 2. 34 direct formula 1 by x into root x square minus 1 is secant inverse x. Okay. Next 25. Sin x by root x, so cos x by root x. Zero to one. Sin x value less than 1, so 0 to 1, 1 by root x dx. 1 by root x is nothing but x power minus 1 by 2 plus 1 by minus 1 by 2 plus 1 between the limits 0 to 1. Between 0 to 1 sin x, so value sin x less than 1, so 1 by root x. 1 by root x is 2 root x. So 2. But there is no use with I less than 2. Similarly, in similar case, we can apply j less than 2, you will get it. So j less than 2 means first option or third option. I less than 2 by 3, greater than 2 by 3. To get 2 by 3, what you have to compare root x, sin x by root x. Zero to 1 means 0 to 57 degrees approximate value. So sin x value is sin 60 by 2. We get I less than 2 by 3 or I greater than 2 by 3. I less than 2 by 3 or I greater than 2 by 3. Sin x root x. 2 by 3. Root 3 approximate value 1.732. 2 by 3. 2 by 3 value 0.6 and so on. Sin 0 to 1 means 57. So 0 to 57 means less than sin 60. Sin 60 value root 3 by 2 root x. So root 3 into root x integration 1 by 2 root x. So root x 0 to 1. 1. So root 3 value 1.732. Is it less than 2 by 3? No. Sin 60. So what is the answer? 3 option I less than 2 by 3. We are not getting that directly I less than 2. Okay. You directly compare the sin 60 root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 into integral 1 by root x. 2 root x. 2 to 8 cancel root x. So 0 to 1. So 1 into root 3. Root 3. Root 3 value 1.732 we are getting. I less than 1.732. But we cannot say that this is less than 2 by 3. 45, if you compare with 45, 45 you cannot compare with this 0 to 1. Root x or root x to 1 minus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. So less than 3 by 2. We are not getting less than 2 by 3. Okay, we'll see in the remedial, next remedial class. Next. Next week we will continue. Less than root 3 by 2.